All right, we are getting ready to head into Yellowstone. We're gonna hike the Beaver Ponds Trail. There's been a lot of bear activity around this area. A guy was mauled 2 weeks ago. He was a lone hiker. 6 o'clock in the morning is what I heard, and did not have bear spray. He saw 2 grizzlies and was mauled by one of them. He did survive. 3 weeks ago, a grizzly took down an elk just south of this trail. So there are definitely grizzlies in this area. We've seen 1 or 2 black bear driving through that area. One of the other co-workers we work with saw a black bear in this area. Lori's a little bit nervous, but we have our bear spray. So anyway, we're getting ready to head over there and jump on this trail. You ready to start the Beaver Ponds Trail?
Yeah.
You ready to overcome your fears?
I already have. I'm excited. I got behind you.
No, I'm glad you did.
Oh, I'm so shaky. I'm so silly.
So we were just coming up this trail and something started blowing. I thought it was like a whitetail, and then she saw it. I couldn't see it. It was behind this bush, and she saw it coming at us and said it's running at us. So my adrenaline got going because I thought, I can't see it, but it's running at us.
But I couldn't see it either. All I saw was brown.
Yeah.
That's all I could see.
That was super cool. That mule deer got within 5-8 yards of us.
Oh, okay.
Super, super cool. So 2 different groups of people that were going the opposite direction on this trail saw a grizzly. One group saw a black bear. Both groups said it was by this pond right down here that we just passed. So we've been looking for it, but we don't see it. I was hoping we could at least see one. Hello. No, we're
right after the fork where it goes from to Beaver Lake versus the other side.
Okay.
There's a bear and 2 cubs.
Is it a grizzly or a black bear?
Looks like a black bear.
2 different
like far
groups.
enough away though?
Pretty far away. Yeah.
Okay, good.
2 different groups going the way you're going. Saw a grizzly right in this area by this pond.
Okay.
So just a heads up.
Thanks.
I'm not sure where it went. You guys have a good trip. So we're in the area right now where Two different groups told us there was a black bear with 2 cubs right on the trail. We're just keeping an eye out so we can try to see them. Alright, so we just finished the Beaver Ponds hike. What did you think?
It was beautiful.
It was beautiful.
Yeah.
Very, very pretty hike. There's bison walking right here in town.